For years, oils have been used for hair and body care. So why not let our face indulge in these luxuries too? As excited as we at Glamorous are about trying out new products, we have found some amazing and affordable facial oils that work for each skin type. So let's begin. Why choose face oils? They will leave your skin feeling supple and plump. And the glow is even better than you'd expect. The right way to use them is either mixing them with moisturizers or using them on already moisturized skin. Using essential oils is like adding flames to fire for an oily skinned beauty. But using a sebum dissolving oil like jojoba oil can actually help control your shine. First, apply a lightweight and oil-free moisturizer and wait for it to completely absorb into your skin. Follow it up with your face oil. A nourishing and ultra-moisturizing oil is an elixir for dry skin. And if you're one of those who fall under this skin type and aren't using gentle facial oils such as almond oil, you must start right now. Add a few drops of almond oil to your night cream and let it seep into your skin. And if you're using a day cream with hyaluronic acid, couple it with a few drops of almond oil and it's like a match made in heaven. For skin that's only ever sees the occasional breakout and has never heard of dry patches, argan oil will suit best. Start off with a cleansed face. Add 2 to 3 drops of argan oil to a muslin cloth and gently exfoliate using it. Go in soft and circular motions. Wash off the oil after exfoliating. As argan oil is very potent and nourishing, 2 to 3 drops are enough to moisturize your face. Living in constant fear of breaking out and products reacting badly is just another day in the life of a person with sensitive skin. Relying on natural essential oils can turn out to be the best for you. Moringa is known as the miracle tree for an array of nourishing reasons. It's lightweight, super hydrating, and packed with antioxidants that heal and promote cell regeneration. You can even layer this under your makeup and achieve a glowing and flawless look. Find your match and let the miracle oil do its work. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.